A pleasant morning to each and everyone that is watching here in our video. I am teacher Kath and I'm here to give you a knowledge about one particular app that you should download first when you are entering in college. But before that, do you know what is this picture representing? I bet everyone knows about this app. However, some of you don't know how to use it. Therefore, this video, we will walk you through the essential features of Google Classroom from creating and classes and assigning the grading assignments, all in one seamless platforms. Whether you're a teacher looking to streamline your teaching process or students aiming for a more organized learning experience, Google Classroom offers a user-friendly interface designed to enhance collaboration and communication. Therefore, join me on this educational video as we further discuss into ins and outs of Google Classroom, empowering you to harness the full potential of this powerful online tool. Now, what is Google Classroom? Google Classroom is a powerful online platform that has become part of modern education, offering a wide range of essential features that enhance the teaching and learning experiences. Google Classroom serves as comprehensive platforms that foster collaborations, communication, organization, and efficiency in the educational settings, making it an essential tool for modern teaching and learning practices. Here are some key aspects that makes Google Classroom essential. And here, the number one is the class creation and management. Of course, the teacher here can easily create virtual classrooms for different subjects or groups, allowing them to organize their students, the materials they have posted, and the assignments that they want for their students to do. And then assignment distribution of submission. Each of one of your students will receive the assignments and they can access it anytime they want, because teacher here can create assignments, share them with students, set due dates, and collect submissions digitally. And the third one is communication collaboration. Google Classroom, they facilitate communication between teachers and the students through announcements, comments, and private messages. It also promotes collaboration among students through group discussions and shared documents. And number four, integration and Google Workspace. Google Classroom seamlessly integrates with our Google tools such as Google Drive or Docs, Sheets, and Slides. This integration allows to easy access to and sharing of files within the platforms. And number five, it grade directly and give feedback directly, because the teacher can grade assignments directly here. Just they are going to put the scores that the student deserved, and also the teacher can also access the feedback of the students here. So it provides feedback to the students in real time, and by commenting in the private comment for that particular students. And it grading system simplifies the assessment process and help track the students' progress, so they can access the students what they have done and their progress. And then for number six, streamlined workflow. Google Classroom offers a user-friendly interface that simplifies the workflow of both teachers and students. It also access with a workflow with a paperless. It centralized all course materials, assignments, and communication in one place, reducing the need for multiple platforms. And now for the number seven, mobile accessibility. Google Classroom, you can access it anytime you want in the various devices that you have in your home, or wherever you are, including smartphones, tablets, laptops, and anything that devices that can access Google Classroom, making it convenient for students to engage with course materials anytime and anywhere they are. And lastly, security and privacy, because Google Classroom ensures data security and to protect students' information and maintain a safe online learning environment. But all of us know what is really the Google Classroom, but then let's dig deeper for what is the Google, where was created, when created, and then who created this, or the founder of this online platform. So here is the Google Classroom was created by a team of engineers at Google. It was led by the Zach Yezkel. However, the founder of these online platforms is Jonathan Rochelle, and initially released on August 12, 2014. Since then, Google Classroom has rapidly gained popularity and has become a widely used platform in educational institutions around the world. And now let us begin to explore and further explore the Google Classroom and the whether you are a teacher or a student. And now let's discuss and how to use the Google Classroom. First, of course, you have to download a Google Classroom like this. And if you ever have a Google Classroom, just tap the Google Google Classroom. And then if you are a teacher, you can you add account here, just tap add account here, and then you log in your email address or your institutional email that the school has given to you. And now let us go farther with as a teacher. You are going just tap the create class here and create class, and then if there is a rules and regulations, the things that you have to read, just read it, and then you are going to tap the box in here, and then tap continue. After that, tap the class name and type what is the name of your class. Like for example, this class is about technology. And now what sections you was assigned as a teacher. So let's say TEP 7. And then for the room, what's the room you are if you're going to have face to face, just click for example science laboratory. And then subject, what is the subject of that? So teaching, technology, learning. After you've put the details, you can tap the create here in the upper right. We already have a Google class as a teacher. And now if you are going to announce something, tap here, and then what are you going to announce in your students. And if you have a modules that you want to attach a PowerPoint and or a video, just click here the add drive or insert a link. If you copied a link anywhere, or like for example the link of the YouTube, or you can upload here the file or the module that you want to upload. And then for the photo here, we have choose photo, take photo, record video, and then create new PDF. After that, you can click the post here in the upper right, and then here you go. You already have an announcement for your students. Now let's dig deeper about this. If you're going to check what are the things or the assignment you want your students to do, just click here in the classroom to visit it. And then for more people to engage in this classroom, if you want to put some students here, just click the invite and copy the link, and you can share the link into GC group chat that you have, or you can chat it, a private message it to the president, and then the president will then distribute the link that leads them into your classroom. And then after that, or enter email addresses. So, or for example, email that you want to, for example, like this, you are going to send the link to this account, just like that. And then if the private a personal email of one of your students, and then share link, and then you gonna click here they invite. And you can add here more information about this classroom that you have here. Just type this is our GCR, and then type the copy link, and then you can paste it here so that they can easily access by just tapping the link, and they were being invited in your class, and then click the invite, and then okay, there you go. You already have one student that you've where you distributed your Google Classroom. Next, let's proceed to the series the achieve classes, or just like this, where your previous subject you were assigned. And after that, we have here calendars, where the assignments, the tasks that has due date will be engaged in the calendar, will be directly input there in the calendar. And then the notification, and then here is you can see the teaching here, and then technology, your classroom. And now let's proceed as a student, and how we are going to use the Google Classroom as a student. So add another account, and then in another account, just tap your institutional email as a student, and then you put your password, and then click the next. Okay. Now let's and if you are if you're you are if you are using the Chrome, here we can use the Google Classroom also here. So here when you're using Chrome, you don't have to download the Google Classroom. For example, like this, just search the Google Classroom login here, and after that you tap the login, and now let's proceed to the as a student, click your institutional email here, or if you don't have, click the add another account and tap your type your password, and then next. So here, and let's go to your institutional email. As here is the things that you are going to how to use as a student. Here, as you can see, we are in these are the subject that we are enrolled in college. And then we have archive classes as well, the subject that we are enrolled in our first semesters. And then we have here to-do list. Okay, in here to-do list, there are the things that you have to comply in your subjects that you are enrolled. And here is the missing, if you want to check if you have been missed something. And then here is for what you have done already. And here, and a lot of us, a lot of students in college, not that a lot, but some of the college students, like for example my colleague, she discouraged be proceed in college since she don't know how to use the Google Classroom, and then how to pass the assignments, the workloads in the Google Classroom. Now here our account, we are gonna tap, for example, let's say here, like for example, here are the announcement that you have, the task that you have to do. Just click the add to create if you're, and then click the Google Drive if your work was been posted in the Google Drive, and then or link that your documents, or if you want to search for the file. So for example, let's say this. For example, this document here. Click the file and then tap the browse, and then here, for example, you are gonna upload a video. Click here and then wait for the time that it has been downloaded at. And now let's further explore the Google Classroom as a student. So here I use my institutional email. And if you're going to edit your personal information, just click this one, and then you can change your profile pictures, or you can change your name. Just tap the managed Google account. After that, if you want to visit one of your classroom, just tap one of this, and then visit what are the announcements of your teachers here. And if you want to see the things that you have to do as a student, just click to do, and then tap where you want to pass your worksheets, like for example this one. And then you are going to tap the add to create, or you can tap anything in here to upload your worksheets. But let's check. And now tap the browse, click the files, and for example we are going to send the files and documents, or for example document 6. Okay, let's wait. Okay, we have here we have attached the document 6 already here. And then after that, you are gonna tap the turn in, and then turn in, and then that's all. You have already passed your assignments or task. And for example, we have here this final requirement, and we have here for example just like this kind of forms. Some of the instructor will send you about the module, and then they will create this an assigned task because they want you to read what is inside the module 6. So after you read what is inside the module 6, just click the mark as done if you've done reading. After that, let's go back and then let's visit the calendar. So as you can see here, it directly assigned you your what is the due date in a particular, for example, this one, it has already here the assigned task that you have to pass in this particular date. Okay, and then let's go back to our classroom. And then before I forgot, as a student, if you want to enroll in a particular subject, just click the add sign here in the upper part where there was a join class here, then tap it and then class code. So as you can see, there the class code was been or the link has been distributed in the GCs, or the instructor will privately message you, and just click the class code and paste the code that the instructor has given to you. And then after that, you are going to tap here the join, and then that would be all. Thank you for listening on how to log in, how to explore the Google Classroom here in the in the Google Classroom.